Hello everyone, welcome to our session on enhancing group decision making with the Six Thinking Hats method, multidimensional approach to brainstorming. Today we will explore how this method can enhance our brainstorming sessions. The Six Thinking Hats method is a brainstorming tool developed by Edward de Bono that encourages different perspectives towards problem solving. The main purpose of this method is to simplify thinking by allowing a switch in thinking. The Six Thinking Hats method is important because it encourages comprehensive thinking, facilitates organized thinking without confusion, it enhances communication and decision making, and it reduces argument and confrontation. Let's understand what each hat represents. The white hat stands for facts and information. The red hat represents feelings and emotion. The black hat is for critical judgment. The yellow hat focuses on positive aspects, and the green hat encourages creativity and new ideas, while the blue hat is for process control. To use the Six Thinking Hat method effectively, you first need to identify the problem or question, then decide on a sequence of the hats. Each participant thinks from the perspective of the current hat. You switch hats until all perspectives have been covered. When leading a Six Thinking Hats workshop, it is important to set clear objectives, ensure understanding of the Six Thinking Hats method, facilitate the process of switching hats and idea generation, and manage time effectively. For an in-person Six Thinking Hats workshop, you'll need tools like whiteboards, flip charts, sticky notes, markers, and hat icons or physical hats. Write the problem or the question on the board, decide on a sequence of hats, and have participants think and discuss ideas from the perspective of each hat. For a virtual Six Thinking Hats workshop, you'll need virtual whiteboard tools like Miro or Mural, video conferencing software like Zoom or Teams, and digital hat icons. The process is similar to in-person, but all activities are done virtually. Participants can add their ideas to the virtual whiteboard and discuss them from the perspective of each hat. Let's look at an example. Suppose the objective is to develop a marketing strategy for a new product. We gather a marketing team of 7 members. The workshop would last for 2 hours. We would define the problem for 15 minutes, use each hat in sequence for 15 minutes each, and then review and discuss the ideas generated in the remaining 15 minutes. For a successful workshop, ensure that everyone understands the objective in the Six Thinking Hats method. Encourage everyone to fully embrace each hat's perspective, promote a judgment-free environment, keep the energy levels high, and don't forget to follow up on the ideas generated. To recap, the Six Thinking Hats method is a powerful tool for fostering comprehensive and organized thinking. It's a process that encourages free-flowing ideas and discourages criticism. I encourage you all to apply the techniques learned today in your respective fields. For those who want to learn more about the Six Thinking Hats method and other brainstorming techniques, we've compiled a list of books, articles, and online resources that are available in a PDF format in this course. Thank you.